What if the smallest home you've ever seen could make you feel richer than a mansion? Sometimes, true luxury isn't measured in square feet. It lives in the warmth of morning sunlight, the quiet beauty of thoughtful design, and the feeling that every corner belongs exactly where it should. Today, let's step inside a tiny home that proves grand living begins with intention, not size. As you enter, the first surprise isn't what you see, it's what you feel. The space breathes effortlessly because every unnecessary wall has disappeared. Soft, natural light flows from one end of the home to the other, making every surface glow. A neutral palette of warm whites, gentle oak, and textured linen creates visual continuity. When decorating a small home, limiting color transitions helps the eye travel freely, making rooms appear significantly larger and wonderfully peaceful. The kitchen may be compact, but every detail tells a story of thoughtful craftsmanship. Matte cabinetry hides clutter, while floating shelves display only treasured ceramics and handcrafted wood accents. Under-cabinet lighting adds a soft evening glow that transforms simple meals into comforting rituals. In smaller kitchens, keeping countertops mostly clear and choosing multifunctional storage allows beauty and practicality to exist together without overwhelming the room. Beyond the living space rests a bedroom designed not for excess, but for rest. Gentle daylight filters through sheer curtains, dancing across crisp cotton bedding and warm timber walls. Hidden storage beneath the bed quietly protects precious floor space, while layered textures replace unnecessary furniture. A calming bedroom isn't created by adding more pieces. It's created by choosing only what brings comfort, softness, and emotional peace. Perhaps the home's greatest luxury is its relationship with nature. Large windows frame peaceful garden views like living artwork, while indoor plants soften every architectural line. Natural materials, stone, woven baskets, linen fabrics, and warm wood create timeless harmony. Even in the smallest homes, inviting nature inside adds depth, improves visual balance, and creates an atmosphere that feels healthy, welcoming, and deeply connected to everyday living. The final transformation happens through details often overlooked. Soft layered lighting replaces harsh ceiling fixtures, mirrors reflect daylight into darker corners, and carefully selected artwork gives each wall a meaningful purpose. Every object earns its place. Rather than filling empty space, this home celebrates breathing room. That's the quiet secret behind luxurious minimalist design, allowing beauty, light, and simplicity to become the home's most valuable furnishings. As we leave this remarkable tiny home behind, one truth remains beautifully clear. A grand life has never depended on a grand house. It grows from intentional choices, comforting textures, meaningful spaces, and the memories created within them. We hope today's transformation inspires you to see your own home through fresh eyes. If this story sparked new ideas for your dream home, join us at Lumacasa Studio for more timeless design inspiration. And together, let's continue creating beautiful spaces that truly feel like home.